Hi everyone, hope you're alright. This is the second drawing lesson thing with me. Hope you like the first one. This time we're going to try and draw a dog. So, got my pencil again, sharpener, and my rubber. There is the giraffe we did last time. I've not really practiced this dog very much, so let's give it a go. I'm going to start off by doing sort of a circle like that. That's going to be its nose. Come up for its head. Give them a little ear like that. Give them an ear on the other side. I'm going to do 2 circles for his eyes. Small triangle with rounded corners for his nose. And then stick his tongue out a little bit. He's panting. There's the head so far. Nice and simple. Might give him a couple of little eyebrows. Dogs don't always have eyebrows, but it looks pretty cool. Now, his body, I'm going to draw him sat down. And sometimes when I draw him, I get the legs the wrong size. But this is its hind leg. Like this, coming around up his bum. And draw a straight line like that and curve it round. And do it again a couple of times to make his foot. And come round to his bum, where we can draw a nice tail. Just like that. Now I'm going to do the front leg. Make sure it comes back down so it's in line with the bottom leg, with the back leg even. Do the same thing, you do a little curl like that, another curl and another one, and come up, come down from his neck for his other leg, stop it just before, and you only have to do the one curl for this, because the rest of his toes are hidden by this paw. Draw his stomach in like that, and draw his back leg. Pull it out, and then one little curl, maybe a second one. Just like that. Nice and simple. I might pull his chin round a little bit. Now we can do a bit of detail on him. Do his claws in there a little bit. Not too sharp. Don't want our dog to have too sharp claws. I'm thinking I might give him a spot on his back. Like that. Maybe a couple of little spots around here. And what I'm going to do is a couple of brackets like that around his tail, so it looks like he is wagging it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get some colours. So I've got a light brown and a dark brown. I'm going to colour the majority of his body in this light brown. Hopefully, guys, I'm going to try this new magic trick and it should speed up this colouring so it looks like I'm colouring it in really fast. I'm going to give it a go now. Alright, hopefully that sped that up a little bit. I'm sorry guys for how neat my colouring is, it's not great. But it doesn't need to be that great really. It's just a little doodle. But see how I've still coloured in the same direction all the way across. Now I'm going to do his ears and his spots in this darker brown. This brown doesn't look black like the last brown did last time. That's good. last little spot. And then I'm going to colour his nose in black. And his tongue in red. And there you go, guys. That is our dog. Hopefully some people send me some of their pictures like they did last time. I had some great giraffes that I was sent. So good luck, everyone.